In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the MoST RSI indicator in TradingView Pro with a quick and easy guide. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you've got a chart open. It can be any market you like: stocks, forex, crypto, or indices. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the time frame and chart type controls. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the main indicators window, which is where you can access all the built-in tools and community scripts TradingView has to offer. Inside this indicators window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search box. This is where you can quickly find exactly what you need without scrolling through long lists. Using the search bar also helps make sure you're choosing the correct indicator, especially when there are many with similar names. Now, in that search field, start typing MoST RSI. Type it carefully to avoid typos, because even a small mistake can cause the indicator not to appear. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Once you see the MoST RSI indicator appear in the list, simply click on it. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart, usually in a separate pane below the price chart, just like a standard RSI. After the indicator is added, you'll want to adjust it to fit your trading style. To do that, move your cursor over the MoST RSI area on your chart. You should see a small settings icon, often represented by a gear. Click on that gear icon to open the settings menu for the indicator. Here, you can customize inputs like length, smoothing, or any special parameters provided by the script, as well as visual options such as colors, line thickness, and levels. Take a moment to tweak these settings so the indicator is easy for you to read at a glance. If you're unsure, you can usually start with the default values and adjust them over time as you gain more experience. Finally, if you haven't already signed up for TradingView Pro and want to unlock all the features I'm using in this tutorial, make sure you use the link in my video description to sign up. That way, you'll have full access to the tools, layouts, and indicators you see here, and you can follow along with this setup step by step on your own charts.